Hi, I'm Rachel Durstein, and I'm looking forward to teaching again at the Pennsylvania National Quilt Extravaganza. This will take place in September, from September 14th to 17th at the Greater Philadelphia Expo Center. And I'll be teaching on Thursday and Friday. I'm teaching 2 classes. The first class, Mini Landscape Quilts, will be from 1 to 4 on Thursday. These very small quilts are only 5 by 7 or 8 by 10, and they go very quickly. They are very fun, and I will provide you with kits which you can choose from. The other class I'm going to be teaching is called Twists and Curves, and it's all day Friday from 9 to 4. We'll be making quilts that have lots of circles and curves, lots of depth and movement. I will also be teaching you how to couch yarn to the surface of the quilt to create movement and flow. There are many variations you can make, but if you would like a pattern, this is the quilt for which I will be giving you a pattern. I hope you will register. The registration is open, and you can just go to quiltfest.com, look for Pennsylvania National Quilt Extravaganza, and then look for Rachel Durstein. And I hope to see you in my class.